Check out my quick and easy slow-cooked Osso Buco recipe. Firstly, you need to pop in there 1 onion, some basil, and as much garlic as you like. I usually use 3 cloves. Then you want to chop the onion, garlic and basil all together in whatever mixer you'd like till it's nice and fine. Bit of olive oil, or a lot. Sauté that up. Now you want to brown your Osso Buco. I've got 4 large pieces, so I'm going to do them in batches. Flip them over. Second batch on, repeat. Pop the other 2 that you'd previously done back into your casserole dish. And in goes your wine. I like lots of wine. And your tomato passata, I use a whole bottle of that. And I don't like any wastage, so I'm going to pop some water where I had my onion and garlic. Put it into your passata bottle. Give it a nice shake. And that's your water element to your dish. Couple of sticks of cinnamon. 5-star anise. And a nice handful of salt. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And just give it all a nice stir. Make sure all the ingredients are incorporated. Lid goes on and into the oven it goes on 150 degrees for about 4 to 5 hours. Keep checking it to make sure that it is cooked through, and this is the result. Really beautiful, soft, pull apart Osso Buco. Serve it with rice, pasta, or mashed potato. And there you go. Beautiful Osso Buco, slow cooked, with a gorgeous thick concentrated sauce to pour over the top. Yeah.